Good morning guys, and in front of me is DOOGEE V Max, and let me show you how to add fingerprint. So if you wish to use fingerprint protection, you have to open the settings at first, then go to security and click on face and fingerprint unlock. Now choose the backup to your fingerprint, so I'll choose pattern, provide it once and then re-enter it to confirm. And now manage the notification content and select fingerprint. So just click on more, agree, and now all you have to do is to grab your phone as you usually hold it and place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is your power button, so just keep tapping like this. And here you will be able to observe the progress. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor and do it till it's fully added. Click on done, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously you can use this backup pattern also, but basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.